Fox Mulder here, and we're here to look at the Frankston to Stony Point Doodlebug. This is Reed Parade, Marine Drive, Hastings intersection, Warranginny Creek, just over there. Quite a few big drains going underneath there. If we look that way towards the curve, that's towards Frankston, and that is towards Stony Point. A little bit of rail sitting on the side here. I think he might have been sitting there for a minute or two. Looks like someone's boarder. Gates. I only put all these gates in about 5 years ago. This used to be all ungated majority of the way. Let's wander over and have a look down the other side while we wait for this Doodlebug. Shouldn't be far off. That down there is towards Stony Point. Sorry about the sun. It's kind of right behind me today. Let's take you down. I'll have a look at the creek. Warranginny Creek. There we go. Quite a number of drains there, big ones. And a guardrail for the train. I don't think that's going to do much if it decides to go over. Okay, we shall wait for the Doodlebug. Hopefully it won't be long.